Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to find hidden photos on iPhone iOS 18. Let's go. If you have hidden photos in your iPhone's Photos app that you want to find and view again, this guide is for you with the changes made in iOS 18. For the purpose of this video, let's hide this photo. Now that photo is hidden, so let me show you how to find hidden photos. Scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see the Utilities section, and in that section, you'll see an option called Hidden. Tap on it. Then tap where it says View Album. Since I am currently using iOS 17, so I do not have this feature available at the moment. It will use Face ID to verify your identity and grant you access to the hidden photo album. Now you'll be able to see all of your hidden photos and videos. If you want to unhide something, simply tap on the photo or video, and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Hide. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.